Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is Groovy programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Groovy programming language? Apache Groovy is a powerful optionally type in dynamic language with static typing and static compilation capabilities for the Java platform aimed at improving developer productivity thanks to a concise, familiar, and easy to learn syntax. It integrates smoothly with any Java program and immediately delivers to your application powerful features including scripting capabilities, domain-specific language authoring, runtime and compile time meta programming and functional programming. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is Groovy programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.